TikTok, me a show you something. You see, this the receipt where you see in my hand. This are the receipt when me a pay. When me a pay in the court for my son. This are the money when me a pay in a court for my son. Guys, on look funny. 2023. $220, guys. On see it? 2023 no, November. You understand me, guys? And for sure no. They have my name in a quote, say me owe them over $2,500. Guys, I go show you what I go on the receipt them. Guys, look, 2023, right? When you look, I show you this is 2023 now. Alright, this is from last year. You understand me, I did? And the receipt, the money when me go pay over there, yeah. It's supposed to be 2024. But guys, me can't understand the figure with the penny. You understand me? This is not a 2024. You understand me? Because the one when give me now, it look like a 2023 too. That is not 2024. Believe that, guys. You know, so me come in from work, me just come in from work, and me I think about it because me figure leave some money for me youth this month by now and say Monday. You understand me, I did. So one mind said take the receipt out of my billfold and look on it, guys. Guys, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna see what I go on. Guys, gonna look $220, 2023, November 2023. Guys, I'm gonna show you the next receipt when we get other day. Guys, look at this. These are the receipts when we pay in a November. The 29th of November. Guys, you can understand this figure? It's supposed to be 2024. Guys, what is this? What is this? No. I go up there and I go bring a receipt and I go ask the lady in the courthouse. First, what I go do? I go ask her if this a 2023 receipt. And here what she go say. But guys, I'm going to bring it to them. I'm going to make you see the two receipts side of one another, guys. I'm going to check the level. TikTok, on look. This is 2023, right? See it there? 2023. November 2023. This, I will pay other day, November. This is our 2020, this is our 25. Our 23, I don't know. This is not 24. Look funny, guys. Guys, on look. Can me fucking name in a court say me owe them over 2,500. So these people fuck up. So these people fucked up. People on the look. TikTok on the look. Guys on the look. On the see that? On the see it? So me go up there. Anytime I go up there, me go show them this one first and ask them if this a 2023 receipt. And yeah, when they fuck them, I go tell me. Guys, when I go here, what I go on. Me out.